Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about what are the pipes we are going to use for the firefighting and what are the welding defects we find most common in firefighting pipes. So let's begin. So the topics today to be covered is pipe used in the fire protections, pipe supports, what are the pipe supports we need to consider, what are the intervals, what is the distance between two supports, what support we have to give, welding defects, and testing. So pipe generally will use MS pipe, GI pipe, CS pipe, C class, heavy duty C class we use. I have told in some of the sessions previously that C class is more thickness compared to B and B has more thickness compared to A. So gradually class C has more thickness, right? And in upcoming session, I'll tell another pipe, CPVC, specifically CPVC pipe used in firefighting as well. Okay. So generally we have different type of fittings, groove fitting, okay, socket fitting, but weld fittings. So where it is used and how it is used. So generally socket fittings is used and socket threading fittings is used below 50 mm pipe. Okay. Above that, you have to use butt weld fittings. Okay. And groove fittings we can use from starting from 200 diameter up to 250, 300 is available in the market. Okay. So generally, pipe finish will have primer. Okay, yellow primer will be there that will coat it, and two coat of final coat, which is called enamel fire red color. Okay, one while installing, second coat is when you hand over the project. Okay, this if you keep both paint at same time, what will happen? It becomes dust whenever you hand over the project. So generally, last coat is given at the final stage whenever you hand over the projects. Same thing is regularly. Threaded rods. We have different threaded rod. M8 to use, M10 where you use, M12 where you use. Generally, for pipe dia up to 25 to up to 50 mm, right, we'll use M8 thread rod. From 65 to 100, we'll use M10, and above 100 mm pipe dia, we'll use M12. This is the most common standard we follow. Next is pipe supports. Okay, what are the pipe supports we have? Horizontal, what is the distance, and vertical, what is the distance? So for 50 mm pipe, the distance between two supports is 3 meter. For 80 mm, it is 3.6. For 100 mm, it is 4 meter. Okay, and 150 it is 4.5 meters. Okay, this is the horizontal distance between two supports. Okay. Next we have vertical. Vertical, if you see for GI or MS pipe, whatever pipe it is, for 50 mm pipe, the interval is 3.6 meters. For 80 mm, it is 4.5 meters. For 100 mm, it is 4.5. For 150 mm, it is 5.4 meters. Okay. These are the supports which we are discussing. Okay, intervals. Even where pipe have more than, for example, two number of 150 pipe is going. So what you have to give? You have to give 150 or 200 mm pipe is running parallelly. So what you have to give? You have to give C channel supports. Okay, or L channel support. You have to give. And this is the videos of what are the types of supports we have. And this is, and in this video we have groove fittings. Okay. This is groove fittings. Okay. Sprinklers, upright sprinklers. This is the clamp. Okay. U-clamp, call it. Wherever there is a change in direction of the pipe, okay, here you see, here it is coming and suddenly it is changing the direction of the pipe. So there you have to give two supports, one for this and this side. To both sides you have to give supports. Right. Next is welding defect. We have a lot of type of welding defects where you have welding coming into quality type of quality installation procedure. Your welding should be 100% exact. Okay, you should not have any defects of weldings where you have biggest weld size is more. Okay, where you have porous, some gap between the weld. So these are the defects. Okay, so what happened whenever you go for testing and all, you will have leakage. So while installation, you should be make sure all those defects should be eradicated. Okay. This is porous. See, too much of welding is. Here is a gap in the welding. So these are the different types of welding. After that, we'll do a testing of pressure test, obviously. So if your working pressure is 8 bar, you have to do a testing of 1.5 times higher than the working pressure. So generally we will do it 12 kg. 12 kg, 15 kg also is, most people do it. Okay, this is the standard we follow for the pressure test. Okay, this is about the basic about the firefighting. If you want to learn in detail about the subject, so call to our hotline number 9900529008. I repeat, and it is displayed on here as well. Thank you.